Discover the charm of Chalet Val, a 4-star bed and breakfast nestled in the scenic town of Steamboat Springs, Colorado. Just minutes from downtown and 35 minutes from Yampa Valley Regional Airport, this cozy retreat offers free Wi-Fi and flat-screen TVs in every room, elegant marble or tiled floors with private bathrooms, daily hot breakfast to start your day right, relaxation with an outdoor hot tub and billiards game room, free parking, and easy access to local attractions like Old Town Hot Springs. Address: 2415 Val Circle, Steamboat Springs, Colorado 80487. Perfect for travelers seeking comfort, convenience, and a touch of mountain luxury.